Hello friends, I am back with another healthy recipe video. Today I'm going to share a green matcha smoothie that I like to eat after a workout. We just came back from the gym and I wanted to share this recipe with you. So basically the main ingredient is the green matcha tea, and green matcha tea is amazing because it's really high in antioxidants. It helps with weight loss, it helps with the brain health, with digestion, so many health benefits with green matcha tea. So that is what I have here. This is organic green matcha tea that I ordered on Amazon. And I'm just gonna use about a tablespoon of that. The protein powder of choice that I'm gonna use is Sun Warrior's Active Protein. And the reason why I like this one is because it has 30 grams of protein. So that's a lot of protein. Only 2 scoops, 30 grams of protein. It's not that high in carb. The carbs are just 10 grams of carbs. The fat, 1.5 gram of fat. And the sugar, no sugar. So I want this smoothie to be very keto friendly. I've been trying to eat a keto friendly diet because my body really responds well to that. So this smoothie is also very low in carb. So we're going to use a half a banana because bananas are very high in carbs as well. Normally I would do 1 to 2 bananas, but for this smoothie I'm just going to do a half a banana. And then for a healthy fat, I have avocado. So you want to have a healthy fat and a keto-friendly diet, low carb, high protein, and then whatever leafy green you want, about a cup of a leafy green. You can use spinach, kale, whatever your favorite leafy green is. And then my almond milk that I am using is Elmhurst, and I like Elmhurst because it only has 2 ingredients. There's no chemicals or anything in it. It just has filtered water and almonds. That's it. So, but yeah, this brand is called Elmhurst milked almonds, and I get the unsweetened kind. And the carbs on this is only 3 carbs per serving. So I could use a whole cup, and it only has 3 carbs. So, and the sugar, 1 gram of sugar. So very keto friendly smoothie. I already have 2 cups of water in my blender, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of almond milk. So I'll add that. So that'll get us to about 3 cups. So that's my almond milk. And then my matcha tea, I'm gonna do about a half a tablespoon of matcha tea. So this is about a half a tablespoon of my green matcha tea. My half a banana, my healthy fat, avocado, and then my leafy greens, that's about a cup. And then just 2 scoops of this protein. But yeah, this one, check it out if you haven't. It's Sun Warrior's Active Protein, 30 grams of protein, 6 grams of BCAAs. I really like it, and it tastes pretty good as well. So 2 scoops of that. And then we're just gonna blend. Look at this beautiful green color that it made, so pretty. And that's it. You can also make a smoothie bowl with this, put fruit on top, nuts, your favorite toppings. But I just wanted to share this this recipe with you. I really like it. It really helps with weight loss, high in antioxidants, very high in protein, and you're getting your leafy greens. It tastes good. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.